Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing, this time with the Cuisinart Compact 2-slice toaster. All right, let's go over the functions of this toaster. So we have a space-saving design, just in case you have a small kitchen or just have a kitchen that you do not want to take up too much space on your counter. This will be perfect. We have a precision control, 7 shade settings from light to dark. We have wide adjusting slots, so it can fit anything from a thin slice of toast to a thick bagel. We have simple operation features. You have the bagel, you have a defrost, reheat, and cancel controls. Just in case you're giving this as a gift, let's take a look at the packaging. So let's open it up and see what's inside. All right. So we do have our instructions here. Very well protected. Turn it sideways. Okay. Come on, white cord. Okay. I love the retro feel of this toaster, you guys. Like, it feels almost timeless. This feels like comforting and like home. So let's go over the button features. We have our bagel, our defrost, our reheat, and our cancel. And we have our 1 through 7 levels of darkness that you would like your toast or your bagel to be. And you also have a nice wide depressor to push it down. These slots are extra wide. They're 1.5 inches to fit your toast, your Texas toast, your bagel, or anything else thick pastry-wise that you would want to put inside. One of my favorite features of any toaster will have to be the crumb tray. So let's pop it out so you guys can take a look. Super, super simple. Take it out, dump it, wash it, dry it, and slide it back inside. Boom. All that's left to do is to do a toast test. Take these out. Another successful toast. Add it to your cart.